Hello everybody, I will present my article Tractable Fragment of Temporal Sequences of Topological Information. It takes place in the context of qualitative temporal and spatial information. The goal is to reason spatial and temporal information, in particular in dynamic environment. Qualitative information are used when quantitative information are unnecessary or unavailable. The studied problem is the satisfiability decision. The figure illustrates a spatio-temporal description. First, the blue car and the red car are aligned. Then, the red car is in front of the blue car. Then, one of the two is in front of the second. And finally, the blue car is in front of the red car. We have a sequence of relation. Equality, then inferiority, then inequality, then superiority. Such description can be represented by a sequence of qualitative constraint network, in this context with directional relation. The first figure illustrates such a description. We have x inferior or equal to y at instant 1, y inferior to z in instant 1, and the relation between x and z is unknown at the instant 1. There is a relation at instant 2 in the second constraint network, and relation at the third instant in the third constraint network. These sequences is satisfiable. The second figure illustrates one of its solutions. Indeed, at the first instant, x is inferior to y, and y is inferior to z. However, with these directional temporal sequences, the satisfiability decision is incomplete, and there is no tractable intrinsic fragment. In this article, we studied different temporal sequences. We studied topological temporal sequences of regions which allow to describe the evolution of region over time with topological relation. For example, the figure illustrates such a description. At instant 1, we have, for example, that the region black is included in the region gray, and the region gray is included non-tangentially in the white region, etc. The problematic is the following. Are there any tractable fragments in this context? The first contribution of this article is that if the sequences are over instant, there is no tractable intrinsic fragment. Second result is that for sequences over instant and interval, there are several large tractable intrinsic fragments. Thank you. Hello everybody, I will present you my article Tractable Fragments of Temporal Sequences of Topological Information. It takes place in the context of qualitative temporal and spatial information. The goal is to reason on spatial and temporal information, in particular in the context of dynamic environment. Descriptions are qualitative constraint networks. Qualitative information are used when quantitative information are unnecessary or unavailable. The figure illustrates a spatio-temporal description. First, the blue car and the red car are aligned. Then the red car is in front of the blue car. Then one of the two is in front of the other, and finally, the blue car is in front of the red car. We have a sequence of relations. First equality, then inferiority, then inequality, then, and finally, superiority. One of the reasoning tasks is the satisfiability decision. There is a dependence between temporal and spatial satisfiabilities. This dependence comes from the continuity of movement. Potential applications are natural language processing, and in particular human-machine interaction, geographic information system, and spatial planning. I now present the state of the art. Qualitative formalism allows one to describe the world using a finite number of relations. A qualitative formalism is a relation algebra, that is to say, a set of relations equipped with particular operator. For example, there is a point algebra. It is based on three basic relations: inferiority, equality, and superiority. Any relation of the point algebra is a union of basic relations. For example, inferior or equal is a relation. There is in total 8 relations in point algebra. Region connection calculus is another qualitative formalism. It is based on 8 basic relations, which are described in the figure and are disconnected, externally connected, partial overlap, non-tangential proper part and its converse, tangential proper part and its converse, and equality. A relation of region connection calculus is a union of basic relations which express the uncertainty about the satisfied basic relation. A description in this context is a qualitative constraint network. It consists of a set of entity variables and a set of relations between these variables. The figure illustrates such description. There are 3 regions, black, gray, and white. The region black is included in the region gray is included non-tangentially in the region white, and region black is included non-tangentially in the region white, or the region white is included non-tangentially in the region black, or region black and white are overlapping. To reason about qualitative constraint network, the main tool is the algebraic closure. It is based on composition. If x is inferior or equal to y and y is inferior to z, then the relation between x and z is the composition of the relation inferior or equal and the relation inferior. Thus, x is inferior to z. The algebraic closure is the polynomial operation. Another example is illustrated in the figure. If we know that black is included in gray and that gray is included non-tangentially in white, we can deduce that the basic relation white is included in black non-tangentially and the basic relation white and black are overlapped are not possible. Thus, the only possible relation is white is included non-tangentially in the only possible basic relation is black is included non-tangentially in white. The satisfiability decision is in general NP-complete. For this reason, there is a search for tractable fragment, and in particular for algebraic tractable fragment, which are fragments for which algebraic closure decides satisfiability. More formally, a fragment is a restriction of qualitative constraint network to a subset of relations. And a basic fragment is a fragment which contains all basic relations and the universal relation, namely the union of all basic relations. H8 is one of the 3 maximal tractable basic fragments of the region connection calculus. I now briefly explain the link with finite CSP. First, for some qualitative formalism, algebraic closure enforces path consistency. Second, there is a translation from a qualitative constraint network to a finite CSP network. There is a CSP variable for each pair of variables, that is to say, for each relation of the qualitative constraint network. The domain is a specific possible basic relation, and there are constraints in the CSP network encoding the composition operator. If the relation of qualitative constraint network are binary, then the constraints of the CSP network are ternary. To reason about change, transition graphs are used. They represent the possible evolutions of basic relations. There are neighborhood graphs, which describe the transition from an instant to a closed instant of basic relation. For example, in left, the graph is the neighborhood graph of the region connection calculus. If at an instant the disconnected relation is satisfied, then at a closed instant, the only possible different basic relation that can be satisfied is the externally connected relation. There are also dominance graphs which express transition from an open interval to one of its bounds. In the right figure, there is the dominance graph of the region connection calculus. If during an open interval the disconnected relation is satisfied, then at one of its bounds, the only possible different basic relation is the externally connected relation. However, if during an open interval the disconnected relation is satisfied, the only possible, if during an open interval the externally connected relation is satisfied, then at one of its bound, the only possible basic relation that can be satisfied is the externally connected relation. The disconnected relation or the partial overlap are not possible at one of its bound because region evolve continuously. In this article, a temporal sequence is a sequence of qualitative constraint network each associated with a particular instant. A temporal sequence is satisfiable if there are continuously evolving entities satisfying each qualitative constraint network at the corresponding instant and satisfying one of two consecutive qualitative constraint networks between the two corresponding instants. The first figure is an example of temporal sequence over point algebra. At the first instant, the relations are described by the first qualitative constraint network. X is inferior or equal to Y is inferior to Z, and the relation between X and Z is a universal relation. That is to say, we don't know the effectively satisfied basic relation between X and Z. The relations satisfied at the second instant are described in the second network, and the relations satisfied at the third instant are described in the third network. This sequence is satisfiable. Indeed, the second figure illustrates one of its solutions. At the first instant, we have X inferior to Y and Y inferior to Z. The satisfiability decision of temporal sequence over point algebra is NP complete. Indeed, there is no tractable basic fragment, which is a strong negative result. I now describe the framework of multi-algebras which generalize the classic qualitative formalism. It enables description to be conjunction of heterogeneous network, where each network is defined on a different qualitative classic formalism, or defined on a different precedence scale, or defined at a different time. Interdependencies of each heterogeneous network are represented by operator scale projection. The formalism temporalized region connection calculus over neighboring instant is formalized in the multi-algebra framework. At each instant, we have a qualitative constraint network over the region connection calculus, and the projection encodes the neighborhood graph, which are the interdependencies of this formalism. The figure illustrates one of its description. At the first instant, we have a qualitative constraint network describing the relation of the region. The problematic is the following. Are there any tractable fragments in this context? I now present the contribution of this paper. Proposition. There is no algebraic tractable basic fragment. In other words, algebraic closure does not decide satisfiability for any basic fragment. Can we get around this limit in extending the fragment search? In considering non-homogeneous fragment, different relation subsets are used at every instant, and in considering non-basic fragment. The subset do not contain some basic relation. Proposition. There is no algebraic tractable non-homogeneous basic fragment. However, there is an algebraic tractable fragment which is non-homogeneous and non-basic. We must remove the basic relation non-tangential proper part. Is there another way to get around this limit? And to get basic fragment, we must have to add basic relation and homogeneity. We want that same always relation at each instant or qualitative constraint network. To answer this question, a new formalism is proposed. It is scaled topological sequences on a partition of time. There is in this sequence, in the sequence, there are instant and interval, and they form a partition of time. At each instant and at each interval, there is a network over the region connection calculus. Projection encodes the dominance graph, which are the interdependencies of this formalism. The figure illustrates one of its description. At the first instant, we have a qualitative constraint network over the region calculus. During the interval t0, t1, we have another qualitative constraint network, etc. With this formalism, we have the following results. There are several algebraic tractable fragments, which are non-homogeneous and basic, and there is one homogeneous basic fragment, which is H8. Note, these subclasses are large and maximal. In conclusion, the formalism topological sequences over instant have been studied. There is no tractable basic fragment, and there is a tractable non-homogeneous non-basic fragment. And a new formalism called topological sequences over instant and interval have been proposed, formalized, and studied. In this formalism, there is several large tractable basic fragments, and there is one large tractable homogeneous basic fragment. Thank you for your attention.